I turn off my alarm clock immediately. I turn off my alarm clock immediately. I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning. I drink a glass of warm water. I drink a glass of warm water. I brush my teeth for 2 full minutes. For 2 full minutes. I say good morning to my family. I pack my school bag carefully. I put on my shoes before going out. I greet my teacher at the school gate. I walk to school every single day. I walk to school every single day. I sit down and open my books.
I listen carefully.
I listen carefully to every lesson. I eat my lunch at school time. At school time. I play with friends during break time. I pack my bag at the end of school. I pack my bag at the end of school. I drink water after outside. I say goodbye to my teacher and friends. I walk back home after school. I walk back home after school. I change my clothes when I come home. When I come home. I eat a healthy snack after school. I eat a healthy snack after school. I do my homework without any delay. I do my homework without any delay. I read my books for 30 minutes. I read my books for 30 minutes.
Can you pass me the salt, sweetie?
I help my mama with the housework. I exercise for 20 minutes every day. I exercise for 20 minutes every day. I eat dinner with my family together. I help clear the table. Clear the table after dinner. I wash dishes after every meal. I wash the dishes after every meal. I am grateful for every single day. I am grateful for every single day. I take a bath before going to sleep. I take a bath before going to sleep. I read a short story before bed. I read a short story before bed. I say good night to my family.